Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Sam. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my September BoxyLuxe unboxing and try on. So if you want to see what I got in my September BoxyLuxe box, then just keep watching. So this is what the box looks like this month. The theme of this month's box is glam vibes only. The first thing in the box that I'm going to go through is what I'm not going to be trying on in the video, which is the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels. It says here, clean towels are the first disposable, organic, and 100% biodegradable face towel. So these are basically like paper towels for your face, and it says that it retails for $9.95. I opened this up, I touched them. This is a pack of 25. I just don't see myself reaching for this. I'm fine using a clean washcloth every time I wash my face, but I mean, I guess it's okay. I feel like it's such a waste because they're disposable, so you can't reuse them, you can't wash them, and to spend $10 for 25 of these is just, I don't know. If I didn't get them in the box, then honestly I don't see myself going out and purchasing them. And they also come with these little sticky mounts that you stick to the box to then stick to like your mirror or your wall. It's really weird. Like, the concept overall is kind of strange. I just don't see myself ever using these or reaching for these, so it's all right. I mean, I guess I'm gonna try them because they came in the box, but I just don't see the actual purpose for these. I'm fine using a clean washcloth every time I wash my face. The next thing in the box that I'm not gonna be using is the Kate Somerville. This is the Exfolikate. The only reason why I'm not gonna be using it in the video is because I use this all the time. I love this. This will be like my 4th bottle of the Exfolikate. I absolutely freaking love this. It's a really good exfoliator. All you do is you wash your face, and then you put this on, exfoliate for like about a minute, leave it on your skin for 2 minutes, and then just rinse it off, and your skin feels so baby soft, and it's just like super glowing. I love the way that it makes my skin feel. And this actually retails for $85, so it is pretty expensive. I'm happy that I got it in this month's box because this is pretty pricey, but it's really, really good and really worth it. It is pretty small though for $85, but it is a really good exfoliator. So the next thing in the box that I will be trying are these. This is the Skin Camp Magic Eyes Collagen Hydra-Gel Eye Mask. And it has hyaluronic acid, collagen, amino acids, and caffeine. And there are 5 in here. And it says here, get glowing and selfie ready with this Hydra-Gel Rosy Hearts Eye Mask. This proprietary formula is enriched with collagen, hyaluronic acid, amino acids, and caffeine to help fight fine lines while depuffing and revitalizing the eye area. These retail for $20. So let's try these. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh my god, they have like a little heart. It's so cute. Okay, I definitely haven't used these because I would have remembered this. So it says to leave these on for about 5 minutes, which I will do. And in the meantime, I'm gonna show you the next thing that I got in the box, which is this. And this is the 111 Skin Harley St. London. These are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. And it says here, the ultimate pre-event mask. This Hydra-Gel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. And these retail for $135. $135 for this. I honestly don't even want to use this right now because there's only 5 and it's $135 for 5 of them. I don't even know what to do. Like, I want to use them, but I feel like it's going to be a waste to use it right now because I'm not going anywhere except to bed after this. So I don't think I'll be using this on camera. I'm not. No. These are $135. I'm not using these on camera. I have nowhere to go and I don't want to waste these. And I've heard that these are really, really good. So I don't want to waste them just to go to sleep later. Moving on to the next thing in the box. It is Pure the Complexion Authority brush set. It says here, with a luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers, each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go, and these retail for $49. So the first thing you get is this fluffy little like powder brush. These brushes are super, super soft. Oh my god. Oh. You get like an angled brush, a smaller powder brush, a flat foundation brush. Get one of these, which honestly I would have preferred a spoolie, but that's just me. An angled brush. Get this flat brush. You get a pencil brush, a flat shader brush, a detail brush, another like fluffy flat shader, and a crease brush. So I will be using these brushes to apply my makeup, and I'll let you know what I think about them. Okay, so I did my entire face except for the eyes, because the next thing in the box is this. It is a palette by the company Hipdot. This is their Zion palette. And this is what the palette looks like, and it has a huge mirror inside, which is amazing. And then this is the palette in all the shades. It's a beautiful palette. I absolutely love this palette. I think I'm more drawn to the warm tones, like the orange and the berry. Like, I mean, this whole palette is warm tones, but like more of like these orangey tones here. I think that's the look that I'm gonna go for today. And this says, the Hipdot Zion eyeshadow palette, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. This palette is cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free, and this retails for $30. So I am going to do what I usually do. I will point to the shade that I'm using, and then I'm also going to show you the brushes that I'm using. I'm also going to be using the brushes that came in this box, and I will show you the brushes. I'll show you the shadow that I'm going to use, and I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to kind of speed through this, and I will give you my notes and thoughts at the end. So I just finished up the eyes. I just added some mascara and blended out the eyes just a little bit more with a different brush that didn't come in this little kit. The eyeshadows I thought were really, really beautiful. I like them. I think I will be purchasing other palettes from Hipdot, but as far as the little collection goes, this little brush collection, it's a pretty good brush collection as far as like face brushes and things like that go, but the eye brushes are just, I feel like it's just not enough. I feel like you might want to pack a little bit extra different types of brushes. The crease brush is a good brush, but it's really, really small. So I would definitely pack a fluffier brush. The pencil brush is a little stiff. The detail brush, it's just, I would definitely pack other brushes along with this. The next thing in the box is this. It is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Highlight, and I got mine in the color Wada Brat. It says here, light up where you want when you want with this weightless long wear cream to powder hybrid highlighters that range from a subtle day glow to insanely supercharged, and these retail for $36. This is what Wada Brat looks like. It's like a pink highlight, which honestly I normally wouldn't go for that type of highlight, but it did come in the box, so I am going to try it. I don't have any brush in this little kit that I would normally reach for as a highlight brush. So I'm gonna use my own highlight brush for this. I'm just gonna grab this and the highlight. I'm trying to be super subtle with it because these are really blinding highlights. For me, this is not the kind of color that I would reach for, but in general, the Fenty Beauty highlights are honestly super beautiful. They're really glowy. I mean, like, look at that highlight. But this color is just not my preference, but that's just me. And then the last thing in the box, I got the Persona lip gloss in the color Honey Gloss. And it says here, we took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable high shine formulated that you'll actually want to wear. And this retails for $16. And I have nothing else on my lips. I'm just gonna go in with the gloss itself. So I actually really love this gloss. It smells really good. It's not sticky, it's not gooey, it's none of that. It just feels really good. So overall, I do love the box. I thought that everything that we got in this month's box is honestly really amazing, except for these towels. This weird, I don't know, paper towel for your face thing. I just don't see myself using this at all. But everything else that I got, this is an A+ for me. Love this. I mean, $135, enough said. The Hipdot eyeshadow palette is amazing. I love the eyeshadows. I think they're really beautiful. I think they blend it out really nicely. This little brush set, I think I'm gonna give this away to one of my cousins. It's just not for me. I prefer my brushes instead, but I know that one of my cousins will get a better use out of it for like a just regular, easy daytime kind of look. These eye masks are amazing. I'm so happy that we got these as well. Oh, and then the highlighter. I love Fenty Beauty highlighters, but this color is just not mine. And yeah, that's it. That's everything I got in this month's box. The overall value of this month's box was $380.95 for everything that was inside and included. And honestly, that is an amazing deal. I love everything except for these weird towel things. I don't understand them. I really don't. I wish I did. I just don't get it. I would love to know what you got in your box. So comment down below and let me know if you liked it, what you got, what you didn't get. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.